Hello everyone, in today's session we will see the reason number 3 that why a GitLab runner is not picking up any job, why a GitLab runner is not allowing any CI/CD pipeline to be executed. Let's see that. The reason is untagged jobs. So first of all, how will you get this option? To get this option, you need to go to project, settings, CI/CD, runners, expand it. Besides a specific runner, there will be a pencil icon. You need to click on it and you will get this option on the third number. Now, what does this mean? Untagged jobs. So if runner does not have any tag associated with it, so it won't pick any job or any CI/CD pipeline irrespective of a user check this checkbox or not. Why? Because when a GitLab runner does not have any tag name associated with it, in that case, an user cannot mention tags keyword in .yml file. And in that case, GitLab won't be able to understand that on which runner that particular CI/CD pipeline, that particular job needs to be run. And hence, even though an user check or uncheck these run untagged jobs, that particular runner won't pick any job. What is a tag? So tag is a name that an user can give to a runner. It will help in specifying which job, which particular CI/CD pipeline to be run on which runner. As you can see on the screen that we have two jobs, Windows job and OS X job. And for these two different jobs, we have mentioned two different tags keyword. One text keyword shows Windows and another text keyword shows OS X. So as you can see that for two different jobs, we have mentioned two different GitLab runners. So what will happen that GitLab will execute these two different jobs on two different runners as mentioned under text keyword, and hence Windows job will be executed by Windows GitLab runner and OS X job will be executed by OS X GitLab runner. How to give the tag? So there are two ways. One is when you are registering a GitLab runner, at that time it will ask you to provide a tag name. And another way is from UI, you need to go to particular project, its settings, CI/CD, runners, expand it, click on the pencil icon, and there will be a last option by the name tag. Importance of runner tags. What is the importance of runner tags? So it is as below. Tags allow users to select specific runners from the list of all the runners that are allowed to run this project. So this is how we can specify a particular runner to be used to execute particular CI/CD pipeline to execute particular job. If user does not assign any tag to any runner while registering or from UI, in that case user cannot mention tags keyword in .yml file, and hence the CI/CD job either won't run as user has not checked run untagged jobs from UI, or might be run on another shared runner which is commonly available for all the GitLab users. Solutions. So definitely there are two solutions. One is either an user check this checkbox, run untagged jobs, or and another solution is if a tag is not associated with the particular runner, then first of all provide tag name to that particular runner and then mention that tag name under tags section of .yml file. Over here I would like to bring your attention, that is, if user has not provided any tag name to a runner and if user tries to uncheck the checkbox run untagged jobs and try to save it, in that case user will get below error, and the error will be the form contains the following error: tags list cannot be empty when runner is not allowed to pick untagged jobs. So as you can see that I have unchecked this checkbox run untagged jobs, and over here where you can provide tag name to the runner, over here as well I have not provided any tag, and in that case when I had tried to save this option I had got this error. So in that case what you will need to do is either you need to provide the tag name and save the changes, or you need to click you need to check this checkbox. Next we will see two scenarios. practically, and these two scenarios are run untagged jobs checkbox is checked and tags has not been mentioned in .yml file, and the second one is run untagged jobs checkbox is checked and tags has been mentioned in .yml file. So in first case, the CI/CD pipeline will run on any of the shared runner available for all the users of GitLab, and in the second case, the CI/CD pipeline, the job will run on the runner mentioned under text keyword of the .yml file. So let's see it practically. So first of all, I will go to my GitLab account and go to this UI and then go to this project demo GitLab runner. Over here, I will go to settings, CI/CD. Now I will expand this runners section. Over here, I have two GitLab runners. First GitLab runner has been installed and registered on Windows operating system, and that Windows OS has been installed on virtual machine. Second GitLab runner has been installed and registered on Linux operating system, and again that Linux operating system is on VirtualBox. Now in Windows GitLab runner, as at present Windows operating system is not available, it's in the off mode, and hence its GitLab runner is not available, and hence it showing grayed button, grayed dot, and this GitLab runner has tag Windows runner. Second GitLab runner that has been installed on Linux operating system, and that Linux operating system is available at present, it is on at present, and hence its runner is available at present, and hence it showing green dot, and its tag name is Linux OS. So what I will do next is I will click on pencil icon and I will remove this tag name and will try to save it. As you can see that I have removed tag name from here, and as well as I have unchecked this checkbox run untagged jobs. In that case, when I had tried to save this option, it shows me error that tags list cannot be empty when runner is not allowed to pick untagged jobs. So to remove this error, what I need to do is I have to check on this checkbox and I will save the changes. So let's see the first scenario when I have checked this run untagged jobs checkbox and I don't have any tags keyword mentioned under my .yml file. So first of all that I will go to my project root directory and change my GitLab file. Over here I will remove this tags keyword. We'll save this file and push these changes to GitLab repository. As soon as I have pushed the changes to GitLab repository, let's see that how it is being shown on the UI. For that I need to go to project CI/CD pipelines. You can see that this job has been successfully executed. So let's see it in detail. So for that I need to click on this stages column, and over here I need to click on this test underscore stage job name. So as we have seen in the theory part that this job will be executed but not on the runner on which we want to execute this job. You can see that this job has been executed on Docker executor, Docker GitLab runner. One thing to note over here is, as we have discussed, that when you are not providing any tag name to a GitLab runner and you have checked the checkbox run untagged jobs, in that case, that particular job, that particular CI/CD pipeline will run on shared runner available for all the users of GitLab. So in that case, you can check this that the runner which has executed this job is this shared runner manager, and its ID is 380986. So if we go to settings, CI/CD, runners section, expand it. Over here you can see that this shared runners section. So for that, over here we will see that this is the runner 380986. So this runner has executed that particular job. Next we will see the scenario where we will provide tag name to the runner. So to provide tag to a runner, you need to click on that pencil icon, and over here you can provide tag. So over here I will provide Linux OS. We'll save the changes. Okay, and again I will go to my project root directory and edit.yml file. Over here I will add one more keyword, that is tags, and I will define which runner I would like to use to execute this job. Okay, so under the tags keyword I have mentioned Linux OS runner, so I want to execute this job on Linux OS GitLab runner. We'll save it and again push the code to GitLab repository. As soon as I have pushed the code to the GitLab repository, let's see how it is being shown on UI. So for that I need to go to project CI/CD pipelines. You can see that this job as well executed successfully. So let's see that how it has been executed. As you can see that this particular pipeline has been successfully executed on our common runner, on the runner that we have mentioned under text keyword in our .yml file. As we have mentioned Linux OS tag name under text keyword in .yml file, so GitLab has used that particular GitLab runner to execute this particular job. This is how you can solve the problem of untagged runner. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.